Hi, second grade. I wanted to go ahead and show you what to do with our first assignment after listening to The Magic Fish. So first, you need to listen to the story. And then on this page, you're going to answer the questions about who are the characters in the story and the setting of the story. So remember the characters, this word here, the characters of the story, or the people in the story. Who did you see in there? And who was talking? And then the setting of the story is where the story happened. So right here where it says directions, you're going to be seeing this video just to help you with how to fill out your assignment. Right here where it says your name, you're just going to click on the box, and then I just want you to type in your name. Easy peasy. Down here it says number 1, put a check mark next to all of the characters in the story. That means if you think these characters are in the story, you're going to put a check mark. So if you think the poor fisherman is in the story, you put a check mark. If you think the magic fish is in the story, you put a check mark. If you think there is a shark, you put a check mark. If you think there is a fisherman's wife, you can put a check mark. If you think there was a fish named Nemo in the story, you put a check mark. Or if you think there is a character of a kitty cat, then you put a check mark. If the characters are not in the story, you leave it blank. Okay? And if you keep going down, number 2, it says put a check mark next to all of the settings in the story. Remember, the setting is where the story happened. So if you think it happened in an old hut, put a check mark in this box. If you think it happened in the castle, put a check mark in this box. If you think the setting was fishing at the sea, you can put a check mark here. If you think it happened at a pretty house, you can put a check mark here. And if you think the setting of the story was in the desert, you can put a check mark here. So remember, there can be more than one answer, so you can check mark 2, 3, 4, all of them, or just 1 or 2 of them. So I'm going to read the questions again. Number 1, put a check mark next to all the characters in the story. Poor fisherman, magic fish, shark, fisherman's wife, fish named Nemo, and kitty cat. Number 2, put a check mark next to all of the settings in the story. Old hut, castle, fishing at the sea, a pretty house, and the desert. And then once you're done, on the bottom it's going to say submit. My screen doesn't have that, but you're going to hit submit, and then you'll be all done with this assignment. Remember to comment or ask questions if you need help. Good luck, second grade!